So in my advanced class, I have my advanced illustration class, I have different illustration uh, assignments with different problems that I try to challenge my students solving. And we designed skateboards in one of the assignments, but the skateboards have to have a story and they need to work in what's called a triptych. They need to work individually and then collectively, sort of in series. And what you're seeing here is actually the students' line work or sketches that have been converted into vector through this tool. So you can take, if you're very careful with how you draw your artwork or your line work, and it has a really clean line, and it has a lot of contrast between the sheet of paper and the ink or the pen, the marker that you're using. If there's a really nice clean line, you can have your sketches processed through that feature, which can then be easily modified through Live Paint and other functions within the software. So this is an example of a student using the trace feature to create custom or unique artwork. So there is a method where you can do that. But if you want to learn how to do that, you have to take my advanced illustration class. Okay? Yes?
So would I be able to do that with my Fashions illustration?
In theory, yes, but you do have to prepare the analog document correctly. So this started on a sheet of paper, and it had to be drawn with a certain level of accuracy and crispness and like cleanliness to the line. And you can correct it to a degree in Photoshop or in a basic image manipulator. And then once we bring it into Illustrator, you saw that Illustrator can understand some of the line work. So it just depends on how you prepare that analog information. So yes, but the answer is yes. I don't want you to think that, oh, it's just 2 buttons and you're done. So I just wanted to share with you the possibilities of what Trace can do for you, okay? So that's it for my conversation for Illustrator. Today we covered 2 sort of ideas, the image trace function, and we also discussed embedding versus linking content. Now before we break and move into a different topic, do I have any questions or concerns? Anything that you would like me to discuss or repeat again?